Long ago there were 3 pigs, little handsome piggy wigs. For the big bad, very bad wolf, they did not give 3 figs. Number 1 was blithe and gay, and he built his house of hay. With the hay tootle toot, he blew on his flute, and he played around all day. Number 2 was fond of jigs and built his house of sticks and twigs. Hey diddle diddle, he played on his fiddle and he danced with lady pigs. Number 3 said, don't like tricks, I will build my house with bricks. Well, he never had the chance to sing or to dance, 'cause work and play don't mix. Little pigs just winked and laughed, ha ha. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Tra-la-la-la-la. Come on, kids. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Tra-la-la-la-la. Came the day when fate did frown, and the wolf blew into town. With a huff and a puff, he puffed enough, and the hay house fell right down. 1 and 2 were scared to death of the big bad wolfie's breath. He said, by the hair on my chinny chin chin, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, do you hear me? And the twig house answered, yes. That left only number 3 to save the piglet family. When they knocked, he fast unlocked and said, come in with me. Soon the pigs were all inside, and the bricks hurt Wolfie's pride. So he slid down the chimney, and oh by Jiminy, wow! In the fire he was fried. Wow! Ha ha ha, the 3 little free little pigs rejoiced and laughed, ha ha. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Tra-la-la-la-la. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Tra-la-la-la-la.